Folks, today's lunch, I'm not going to show you guys what I'm eating for lunch every day, but I think this one would be kind of cool to share. But today's lunch will be a Reuben sandwich, which I call the Paul Reubens sandwich. You all know who Paul Reubens is. I don't really want to call this sandwich the Paul Reubens sandwich. The guy was arrested for indecent exposure, as well as having child pornography. So I don't want to name the sandwich after him. I just thought that would be funny. It's kind of what is funny is he was Pee-wee, and he was in a movie called Blow. I'm just saying. So I'm heating up once again the Blackstone Griddle. And yes, that is a tripod. But waiting for this to heat up, and we're going to get this thing going. But first, we must build the sandwich. So what I got going on here is, you see some Jewish rye bread. And no, that is not butter. That is mayonnaise. When Paulie grills sandwiches, he generally uses mayonnaise. But mayonnaise just turns out much better than butter, in my opinion. But the sauerkraut, I mixed some Thousand Island in there, but not just regular Thousand Island. It's Thousand Island with bacon. And then here's my corned beef. So here's the Swiss cheese from Kraft. It's thin, but we're going to put it on thick. And we're going to spray a little bit of oil, olive oil, on the grill with this product from Pam. So let's start. What I'm going to do first is put the cheese down on both sides. Generally, when you make a Reuben sandwich, you put maybe 1 or 2 slices on. I'm putting on 4. I want this to be a hearty sandwich. Not good for the heart. Alright, got that down. Yeah, so I mixed the Thousand Island with bacon in it with the sauerkraut. You can certainly spread it on the bread, but I don't want anything wet on the bread. That's why I put the cheese on outside. I want the sauerkraut to be protected, or the bread to be protected from the sauerkraut. And we're going to put all this on there. We don't want a soggy sandwich. There we go. Now for the corned beef. Or you can use pastrami, either way. Basically the same stuff. But most people don't know the difference. But I'm going to put a lot. Putting on a lot because I like it a lot. Let me taste this. Yep, good. I am starving. I don't look like I'm starving, but I sure am. Okay, now we're gonna put it together. And now we'll throw it on the grill. Just a little splish splash. Just a little. Smear it around with the plastic spatula. Now we're gonna layer down. one of my favorite sandwiches for sure. My favorite, because it is considered a sandwich, is the hamburger. But as far as like regular sliced bread sandwiches, this is one of the top 3. So yeah, we're gonna let this cook. That cheese is gonna melt down. The meat's gonna heat up. We're gonna get it nice and golden on the bread. Then we're gonna take it out in the back, and you get to watch me eat it. Uh-oh, we got a little sizzling. Let's take a little look. Oh yeah, getting good. Probably another 30 seconds. Okay, let's give it a flip. Look at that sandwich, oh my gosh. So when I bought that Thousand Island dressing, I was not aware that it had the bacon in it. But in the end, it may be to the advantage of some good taste, I'll tell you that. Let's take a peek. Oh yeah, just about done. I'm going to cut it in half. Ooh, you see all that? Let's get it up on there. Let's see what the other side looks like. Yep, she done. All right, let's go try it out. The weather is so funny today. It's been cloudy most of the time. Now it's kind of clearing up, but I'll take it. And with the sandwich, I'm gonna eat some chips and have a nice little drink. What's the chips? It's the Tim's Cascade style potato chips, Parmesan garlic, for $3.49 for a small bag. Not the smallest bag you can get, but, and also I'm gonna drink a little Calypso Taste of the Islands strawberry lemonade. Nice little bottle. Oh crap, it's got a safety seal on there. That's going to be hard to take off. It says shake well. Alright, let's get some... Ooh. It's got some sediment. This way to the beach. Huh. Cheers. It's good. Let's dig in. You lived a good life, but it must end. A little drippy. I could have strained out that sauerkraut a little bit better. So good. So good. If you did this on regular white sliced bread, not near as good. The origin of the Reuben Sandwich. You guys know where it's from? I'll tell you, it's American. Came from Chicago. The best thing that came out of Chicago. My stomach was telling my brain, as well as my tongue is telling my brain, that's loving the sandwich. I was going to go out in town today and do a little food review, but there was nothing open that I would care to go to. I don't want to do a hamburger. The bacon dressing, not bad. Bacon flavored Thousand Island dressing. Hope it don't start raining on me. Yeah, I'll probably be tasting this for the rest of the night. I honestly do feel guilty cooking this food and eating it without my wife here. Meat, beef is scarce. Say corned beef to them, they expect it to come out of the can. They like canned corned beef. Can't eat that stuff. As well as eat rice in every meal. That's some tasty lemonade with real lemon bits in it. The King Juice Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Refrigerate after opening. Well, I'm sorry, but I'd rather drink it after opening. I think cooking videos outside are better than doing them inside. Time to say goodbye to the Reuben Sandwich. It's amazing how nice that combination, corned beef, Swiss cheese, and sauerkraut can go together with rye bread. Well, I think I've enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching. watching me do that. But yeah, that's how I make a Reuben. Remember the mayonnaise on the bread, not butter. Trust me, it's better. You can do that with any grilled sandwich. Grilled cheese, grilled egg sandwich. Alright folks, never trust a skinny cook, and until next time, I'm Paulie, and I'm out.